if 10 minutes early. I don't know whether anyone's yet to arrive. Because there are a number of people leaving mid-morning or even early morning, I've rearranged the agenda. So, as scheduled, we'll be starting with the election of commissions, but I've moved forward the votes on the resolutions, except for the resolutions that refer to UNESCO, which are better done after we talk about UNESCO. And at the request of the President, the nominee for President-designate, I have inverted the order of the introduction of the President-designate and the election of the Executive Council. The election of commissions will be, all votes will be done, and then all votes will be counted after that, and I'll announce the results before we have our tea break. We'll adjust the timing of the tea break so we get back onto the track. There are a couple of matters involving the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry that I want to tell you about under any other business, and then we'll have our words from the new President and close the meeting. So, before I start, still on the welcome back. Whoops, what happened here? Just a minute, wait till I fix it up before I do that, because I got something out of order. Right. So, as I said, the agenda, we're starting with election of commissions and votes on the resolutions, and if we get that through on time, the people on the first bus can leave at 10, and we'll have voted on all but the UNESCO resolutions. The first bus is now scheduled for 10 a.m. If you're leaving then, you may give a written proxy to someone who will be staying with your paddle, and that allows them to vote in your place. You can tell them how you want the votes to be made, or you can leave it to their discretion. It's up to you, and it's not unusual for that proxies to be given to the chairman of the meeting, so you could do that. Those people who are having expenses reimbursed by IUPAP, you'll get a claim form in the email, which you should complete, scan, or sign and scan, and put it in with your receipts, scanned receipts, and email to the office. Retain the hard copy for 12 months in case it's required by our auditor, but don't send it in unless you're asked for it. So that's the housekeeping matters, and we'll move on to electing commissions. I remind you that renominations, I should have updated this because of something that happened right now, but renominations were made for C5, C10, C11, C14, C16 and C17. There have been two developments since then. The first is written here, namely that the Spanish delegate has withdrawn the Spanish nominee for C10.